Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial about Wix. This is the website you guys did Ed Puzzles with the last class. So now what I'd like to do is just kind of guide you through some of the stuff you're going to need for this next set of assignments. The first one being the Greek Food Fest assignment. So the first thing you want to do is go to wix.com, W-I-X. And what we can do is go to sign in, and we're going to create an account. You can create it with your Google account. It's pretty easy. I already have one. If not, you can use your school ID, your school account to do this. This is all not new to you guys. So once we get on, I'm going to guide you through the basic concepts. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a blank site. Because when we create a blank site, then we can kind of personalize it and put our own stuff on there. So it's a little slow to start, but that's just because it does a lot. So I'm going to go to My Sites, and I'm going to go to Create a New Site. So the next thing it's going to ask you, and if you remember this from the Ed puzzle, it's going to ask you, all right, what is this all about? Restaurants and food is going to be our first assignment because we're going to do the Greek Food Fest. And you can choose a template. Now, I suggest choosing a template. There's absolutely no reason why you need to reinvent the wheel. If you see something here that you like and you want to edit, you can do that. But if you want to make it your own, absolutely just do that. So I'm going to go to blank templates. Again, feel free to use any type of layout you'd like. This is yours. So what I'm going to do is click, let's see, I'm going to pick the classic layout and I'm going to click edit. Now, when we go to edit, that means we're going to get it, and then we're going to be able to kind of personalize it, make it our own. It takes a little while to load up. There's a lot of tools that go into this. There's a lot of tools that this allows you to do. So it's really important to kind of have some patience at first. It's not as fast as Google Sites, but it does more. And it's something that we use even for the Cranston Public Schools, things like that. We use websites like this in order to create. So here is my template that I have. You can watch the introductory video if you'd like, but you've already watched 2 videos for this. This is our navigation bar. This is our header. Here is our start. Remember, everything's in block letters, right? So we're all reading in blocks. Remember our little dive into psychology when it talks about people, how they read information, how they like to perceive information. And again, let images tell the story. So what you want to do is be able to identify the background that you want. So these backgrounds with the cameras will actually move. If you want to use an image, you can do that. They have stock images, or you can actually download and upload. So this is an important part. So if you want to find information, or you want to find images that you really like, and you found them on Google or whatever, you want to download them to your computer, and then you want to upload the media. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to have to find media from Wix. And that is all stuff that is what they call stock images. And these are just images that you're kind of free to use. These are images that are used commonplace. And you can search these here if you want to just use whatever's here to make your life a little bit easier. Obviously, we're doing Greek food to start. So I would pick food, see what's around here, see if there's anything you like. Can choose something like this, sharing food, which obviously is a no-no nowadays. And there we go. My background has now become the food. So what if I want to make this Wix Pro Gallery? If I want to change this, I need to double click. And you can change the backgrounds of all these. So the layout, the setting, and the design.